Hi everyone. Hi guys. For the new viewers, please like and subscribe to my channel. And our topic for today is about anxiety versus panic attack. Okay, let's talk about first the panic attack. Ang panic attack, wala siyang specific trigger. So, napaka-sudden niya. Ibig sabihin, pwede kang atakein any time of the day without any reason. Napaka-intense episode niya or intense anxiety, napaka-overwhelming. It can last for 5 minutes to 20 minutes or it can last for an hour. Ang common panic attack na nai-encounter natin is yung mga naninigas tapos nahihimatay or nang lalambot sila tapos nahihimatay na may kasamang racing heartbeat or pinagpapawisan ng malamig. Yan. Yun yung mga common na panic attacks. So, let's talk about the anxiety attacks naman. Ang anxiety attacks, may specific trigger siya or specific stressor. Okay? At saka napaka-consistent niya. Consistent yung state of worry mo na it can last for several hours to several days. Ang mga common na anxiety attack na na-encounter ko na guys is the ringing of ears, nabibingi yung tenga ko, at yung mga chest pain na it could last for several days to hours. Kaya ako nagpa-check sa cardio. Yun. However, ang word na or ang term na anxiety attack is not a formal condition. So, kung magpapacheck kayo sa mental health specialist at persistent ang inyong ang inyong anxiety attack, pwede kayong i-diagnose na may anxiety disorder kayo. Pero to sum it up, ang panic attack ang correct terminology or correct term. Panic attack or anxiety attack is the same. So, yun lang po guys. For the new viewers, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button para ma-notify kayo sa aking mga new videos. Thank you!